Hello again. Back at it again with more Skyline videos. So in this one, back with the R31, I need to fix the bonnet release. So in this video, instead of fixing the bonnet release, we're going to put in a new coolant temp sensor. Bruh. Opening a bonnet is apparently a mission. Anyway, coolant temp sensor. This thing right here. I've got a new one over there in that package. So the reason I'm replacing it is because when it's cold it runs extremely rich and blows all the soot. So apparently coolant temp sensor, if they're faulty, it'll run rich because it doesn't know how hot and cold it is. So to do that, you unplug it, you pull it off, and you put a new one on. Keep watching and you'll watch me do it. Alright, so the tools you're going to need, or tool, is a 19mm ring spanner. This also works for the VL Commodore as well. This video, because R31s and VLs have the same engine. So pretty much what you do, ring on there, crack it loose, and unscrew it and take it off. It's also somewhat tight, so undo him. There it is, the old coolant temp sensor. This is a new one. I'd say that's a part number for a VL or an R31. Compare them. They look the same, so go ahead, take the new one out and screw him in. Right, so this is a new one. So I have a cold, so please excuse. On the threads you can see I put some blue Loctite on there. Probably don't have to, but you know, I don't really want it coming loose and spewing coolant everywhere or something stupid, so that goes in. I can hear a Commodore doing a skid, and then you gotta wrestle your bloody spanner back on there and tighten him up. Pretty simple. Don't do it too tight because it's only small. So yeah, once I do that, I'm come back to you and show you the next step. Alright, so next step, here's your plug to the coolant temp sensor. There's the coolant temp sensor all screwed in, and then you put it on. And now, believe it or not guys, it's on. Amazing. So yeah, pretty much what you do now, start the car up, and well, it's pretty much done, but you know, start the car up because why not? Listen to that hectic RB. Alright, I didn't really expect it, but it's running a lot smoother. Yes, it didn't start first go. My battery is absolute shit. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, thanks for watching guys. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, stay tuned for more Skyline videos. Hopefully we can get some more Skylines in, not just my R31. Hopefully we can get some other stuff. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Have fun. Just a quick little edit. Make sure it doesn't leak and let the car idle or go for a drive once you made sure it's not leaking, to make sure that it's doing its job and working. So yeah, go do that. Alright, see you in the next one.